Yo, what's up guys? Bombgardener here. Unfortunately didn't get it done in time to give you guys like a riding sound test, and whenever I did ride it home that night, my GoPro actually went dead. I guess the cold weather makes GoPro batteries die faster, I don't know, but as you can see, we do have the Yoshimura on there now. Please excuse the dirtiness. It snowed here like 4 days ago, so there's tons of salt on the road and it's making my bike look absolutely horrible, but that's okay, it'll all wash off. Yeah guys, as far as the install goes, it took a long time, but I think what took longest was getting the footage captured and trying to capture what I'm doing and explain what I'm doing. Hopefully the video did help you guys a little bit if you guys are getting a Yoshimura, but truly guys, it really is just plug and play. It's not that hard at all. But let's take this bad boy for a whip. You guys can just already tell, like, let me hop off of it. She just sounds so good. Yeah, she's good. She sounds so good. Gosh, I love it so much. Oh, another bike. Let's see if he wants to play. I love running in the other bike. What if I went up and kill switched him? I like it. What year? Is it? It's nice. I love that color. That's really nice. On green. You're gonna smoke me. I said you're gonna beat me. 100%. That guy was pretty cool. That's a nice ass bike, a very clean bike. I love that colorway that he had on there. That colorway was sick. That's the fun thing about bikes. You'll just like completely change your plans to go ride with somebody. Like I randomly ran into him. I needed to go this way, but I was like, oh, another bike. Let's go ride with them. And that's what I did. And that's what he did too, because he's definitely like changing course and everything like to follow me. So that's the really fun thing about having a bike, and it makes me so happy I got a bike. But guys, this exhaust, it's insane. You know what I've realized? It's a lot of old people. Like that's all I see out is old people, you know? Weird observation. I never see young people out driving. What are young people doing now? Are we like Ubering everywhere?
Yeah, I Uber everywhere.
Or like what? I don't know. Random observations. Look at the beautiful sky. Wow, it's so pretty. Look at all the leaves on the trees. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I mentioned this in the previous video, but I thought I had been recording in 4K this whole time. Turns out I was not recording in 4K. I was recording in something else. I think this person wants to race. You don't have to race, everybody. Stop. Turns out I was not recording in 4K as I thought I was, but now I'm recording in 4K. Last video I recorded 4K, 60 frames a second, and I only had wide view on, so you didn't get as much as the cockpit. This video I'm recording 4K, 30 frames a second, but we have the super view on, so you can see a little bit more of the bike. So guys, I really need your all's input and your help. Just let me know what you guys think looks better. Do you guys want that smoother, higher frame rate, or do you guys want that wider field of view? Obviously, I don't know how it's gonna look. I don't even know how the wide view looks. I haven't sat down to edit it yet, but I feel like super view is where it's at. You know, I feel like anytime I watch a motovlog, like I just really enjoy seeing the cockpit of the bike. So I don't know. But what are we doing right now? We are taking some medicine up to my mother's house. She does have the COVID, so she took care of me whenever I had COVID, so I've got to take care of her as well. She's just had some special requests for some snacks and drinks and stuff, so I'm trying to take those up to her and be a decent son. Kind of owe it to her, I guess. I mean, I guess, whatever. Anyways, anyways, did any of you guys end up having COVID during this pandemic? I mean, I feel like the chances are pretty high of you having it. And if you did have it, what kind of symptoms did you have? How long were your symptoms lasting? And what kind of stuff helped you get through it? I had COVID 3 weeks ago, and I don't know what strain I had or anything, but I was majorly sick the first night, like after, because I woke up, I was feeling a little sick, so I went and tested. That night was horrible. Like, I felt horrible that night. Next night, still pretty bad. Third night, I was bad, but not horrible. And then I think the fourth night, it wasn't really there anymore. So that my symptoms weren't too crazy. I just had some congestion. I had a cough and a headache and a mild fever. Now at nighttime, I would get those night sweats, and that really sucked. Is it just me, or is like there are only oncoming traffic whenever you can pass? Like whenever you have dotted lines, that's when oncoming traffic comes. But watch, as soon as those dots go away, there will be no traffic. Okay, maybe not. Gosh, that sun feels so good. Good thing I got this exhaust on. You guys didn't just hear that fart I just did. That's good. Anyways, guys, that's the new exhaust. I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys love it too, and I hope it doesn't sound too bad in the background of my videos. It's pretty insane. I was watching one of my videos the other day, and it was wild to think that, like, that's the last video with the stock exhaust, and now all the future videos are gonna have this exhaust. I don't think it's gonna be too loud for the videos at all. If anything, it's gonna add a little bit of a nice tone for your all's ears, hopefully. I don't know, haven't heard it yet. But guys, I really appreciate you all sticking it out to the end, and if you did stick it out to the end, drop a like, show your support. It really does mean a lot. And leave a comment. I absolutely love reading your guys' comments. It makes my day. You can ask all my close friends. I'm always refreshing the YouTube tab to see if anybody's left a new comment so I can get back to it, because I love hearing from you guys. I just think it's so cool that, you know, all these people that I've never met before are commenting on my videos, and I'm getting to interact with them. So drop a like, comment, subscribe, do all the fun stuff. Let's grow this community. Let's get huge before the summertime, so that during the summertime we got a huge community. Riders, baby, or people that want to ride, or can't, whatever, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, I'm out.